Could the driest place on Earth help us find life on Mars? The Atacama Desert in Chile, one of the most arid places on our planet, has been making waves in the scientific community. And here's why. In the vast expanse of the Atacama Desert, researchers unearthed organisms that were unlike anything they had ever seen before. These organisms, nestled in the so-called dark microbiome, possessed genetic fragments that didn't match any known relatives. A discovery of this magnitude naturally drew the attention of astrobiologists around the globe. Why, you ask? The Atacama Desert serves as a testing ground for the search for life on Mars. The conditions in this desert are so harsh and dry that they closely mimic the Martian environment. So if life can exist in the Atacama, it might just be possible on Mars too. The discovery in the Atacama Desert has been a game changer, to say the least. The instruments on our Mars rovers would have struggled to detect these microbial signatures. This realization prompted a shift in the strategy of NASA and the European Space Agency. Instead of trying to detect life on Mars directly, they have now focused on bringing Martian soil samples back to Earth for analysis. But this task is not as simple as it sounds. The red planet was more Earth-like billions of years ago, but the preservation of organic matter in Mars-like environments is limited and difficult to detect with our current laboratory instruments. However, the Atacama research has given us hope. Even in arid environments, biological remnants can exist, providing a glimmer of hope that dry Mars rocks could yield traces of alien biology. Currently, the Perseverance rover is exploring Jezero crater on Mars and collecting samples of Martian soil. These samples will be returned to Earth for further analysis, making it the most effective method we have to determine if life ever existed on Mars. So, to sum it all up, the discovery of unknown organisms in the Atacama Desert has reshaped our approach to finding life on Mars. The desert's extreme conditions mimic those of Mars, making it an invaluable testing ground for astrobiologists. The focus has now shifted towards bringing Martian soil samples back to Earth for analysis, with the hope that these samples could provide evidence of past or present life. The Perseverance rover is currently on this mission, collecting samples that could potentially answer one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe?